Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Good morning, students, and welcome to your English Language Class 5 Revision 1. Here is the question paper pattern of your annual examination. Punctuate the following sentences. Turn the following sentence into indirect speech. Fill in the blanks with the verb in agreement with its subject. Change the verb in the following sentences from passive to active voice. Complete the sentences with present perfect tense of the verbs given in the bracket. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the as required. Give the comparative and superlative degree of the following adjectives. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. Write the possessive form of the following. Rewrite the sentences using nouns and pronouns of the opposite gender. Fill in the blanks with words given in the brackets. Underline the conjunction in the following sentences. Fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. Read the passage carefully and answer the question, that is the comprehension. Write a letter to your principal, to the principal of your school, to grant you a week's leave to attend your sister's wedding. Here goes the revision part. I am giving you the questions. Please go through this and answer, solve this revision. Solve all the questions. It's very important. Concentrate on the revision which I have given. Punctuate the following sentences. What is zebra? Asked the teacher. Mohan, one of your old friend, met me in Delhi last night. You know what to do? You have to punctuate. You have to put the capital letters and the commas and apostrophes wherever required. The teacher said London stands on the Thames. Hindus, Muslims, Sikh, Christians and Paris all live together in India. Leela said to Kamala, how beautiful we look. He was honest, sincere, hardworking and faithful. Next, turn the following sentences into indirect speech. He said, Jack is a lazy boy. He said, Sita is writing a letter. She said, Sita is writing a letter. The teacher said, the boy may pass. I said, I can beat him in the race. The boy said, Harry has told a lie. The doctor said, the patient will recover. Fill in the blanks with the verb in agreement with its subject. The cow as well as the horse eats grass. Students, I have underlined the answers also here. Iron as well as gold is found in India. The cost of all these articles has risen. Rama as well as his brother has failed. Neither his father nor his mother is alive. Bali, Harry and Ashok attend the same school. Change the verb in the following sentence from the passive to the active voice. John was beaten by Jack. By whom will she be helped? She will be pardoned by me. The tree will be cut down by him. The cow will be sold by me. He was loved by all his friends. The fifth one. Complete the sentence with the present perfect tense of the verbs given in the brackets. He has already closed her shop. She has already closed her shop. Close, closed. The dog has dug a hole in the backyard. Hasna has gone to meet her grandmother. Have we seen this picture before? They have not slept peacefully since the earthquake that shook Ahmedabad. Sixth one. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the as required. An umbrella is a useful thing. The English defeated the French. Sri Lanka is an island. So underline the words, the letters like a, an and the. An aeroplane flies in the sky. The Ramayana is the holy book of the Hindus. The earth moves round the sun. 7th, give the comparative and superlative of the following: good, better, best. Positive will be given, you have to just write the comparative and superlative. Bad, worse, worst. Happy, happier, happiest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Important, more important, most important. 8th one, fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. Your purse is red, mine is yellow. Tell those boys that they must wait. Is that your cap or mine? Have you a ticket, sir? Now, boys, are these things yours? Henry said to John, I am sorry to hurt you. So the pronouns are mine, they, you, yours. So you have to underline those. Write those. Write the possessive form of the following: the hoofs of these oxen, the clothes of these women, the purses of these ladies. You have to put apostrophe wherever required, you know that, and add s. The parents of these boys, the dresses of the babies, the shouts of the thieves. Rewrite the sentences using nouns and pronouns of the opposite gender. It should be okay. The. A widower is one who has lost his wife. The lion killed the daughter of a washerman. Your aunt warned the maidservants. His nephew and brothers came to see him. The bridegroom was an old man riding on a white horse. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the brackets. September has 30 days. So you have to choose any one which is correct. There is a flock of sheep. The boy's trousers were torn. The mice are not in the strap. The basket is full of mangoes. There is some bad news for her. Underline the conjunction in the following: work hard or you will fail. Harry was present but Rama was absent. He is very rich, yet he is unhappy. He worked hard, therefore he passed. He failed, but his brother passed. I shall not be surprised if he fails. Fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. I am afraid of big dogs. Listen to what I say. Learn this poem by heart. I bought this pen for ₹100. You cannot mix oil with water. We are tired of waiting for so long. Next comes the letter writing. Write a letter to your principal of your school to grant you a week's leave to attend your sister's wedding. Okay. Here I have given you to mention the dates of the wedding. So let's see. I have given you the letter. Please practice this letter. It will be coming. Write your name. Your address should be first. So your name. Rahul Patil, Street Road, Camp Belgaum, 59001, 28 March 2021. Same format you have to write, students. Please don't change. Means the date and all you can change as your wish, but your address, the date format should be like this way: 28 March. It should not be 28/3/2021. Okay, 28 March. Then your school's address, the principal, St. Joseph School, Belgaum, whichever school you're studying. You know you're studying in SFS school. That address you have to write. Dear sir, with due respect, you can, the format, this down thing which I'm reading, you can write as it is. With due respect, it is stated that my family has arranged a marriage ceremony of my beloved sister. I am glad at this occasion and I have to leave outstation for this event along with my entire family. So I will not be able to attend the school for 1 week dated from 13th April 2021 to 19th April 2021. Please grant me your leave so that I can attend this cheerful event. Thanking you in anticipation and hoping for the best. Yours sincerely, Rahul Patil. See, yours is not given apostrophe S, so please don't make the mistake. Even a silly mistake in the letter writing, I am going to cut half mark. So, please do not make a spelling mistake, nor sentence mistake, nor the format. Please do not miss the format. Write it as it is, okay? But your address and principal's address should be accordingly. The matter you can write as it is. Next, comprehension. I've given you the comprehension 1 from page number 100. Any one might come. You can learn both comprehension 1 and comprehension 2. Learn both comprehension 1 and comprehension 2. Here I've just given you 1, but you have to learn comprehension 1 and 2. Okay? And answer to the questions that are given. I shall read to you. Baloo the bear taught Mowgli the man cub everything he needed to know about the jungle. Mowgli knew how to tell it if a branch was rotten before climbing on it. He knew how to speak politely to the wild beasts if he came upon a hive. He knew how to warn the water snakes in the pools before taking a dip. Then there were the hunting calls. Mowgli had to learn to call all the creatures so he could call them if he needed their help. Each creature had a different call and Mowgli had to learn all of them. Sometimes Bagheera, the Black Panther, came to see how Mowgli was getting on. He would lie along a branch, purring gently, watching and listening. I've been teaching him the hunting calls this morning, said Baloo. I should like to hear them, said Bagheera. Mowgli said, Baloo, in a gentle voice, let Bagheera hear the calls that I taught you this morning. Mowgli's face lit up. He loved showing off. Calls for which creatures? He asked. The jungle has many tongues. I know them all. Very well then, laughed Bagheera. Tell me how you would call the kite without having to think about it. Mowgli put his hand around his mouth. A long clear sound came from his lips. Very good, said Bagheera. Now, how about a snake? Mowgli gave a long piercing hiss, then he kicked his feet up and clapped his hands. He jumped in onto Bagheera's back and sat drumming his heels against the glossy black skin. There are questions given to you. Answer, then tick the right answer. State whether the following statements are true or false. Find words for the passages. And the last question, why is Mowgli called a man cub? So from these I will be giving you what is of anything of 5 marks. I won't give you the whole thing, but please study. I hope you have understood the revision, how to solve the paper. If you have any doubts, you can call me. Okay, students? Thank you. Please concentrate on the revision given to you.